Last week, Google held a hardware event that showcased a variety of different products, including what we have here, the Google Home Mini. The Google Home Mini is the lowest tier offering from Google in regards to its smart speakers with Google Assistant. The product will be arriving to stores on October 18th. So first we can take a look at the outside of the box. This is the front with the Google Home Mini and the speaker itself. On the side we have a list of supported products. On the rear, letting you know what it can do. On the side, just showing you some of the commands that Google Assistant can handle. Now let's go ahead and get this unpackaged. Now that we've gotten the plastic off, we'll go ahead and pull this tab on the bottom. And hopefully this will just open up. And you can see there it's just dead center. And this is a fairly tiny device. You can see there from my hand. There's a micro USB, toggle switch, and not much else. On the bottom there is a rubber portion, but we'll put that to the side for now. Inside, pull that out. There is a manual. And also the power cord. Nice little soft touch feel to that. Then the rest is just packaging, so we'll go ahead and put that to the side.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Alrighty, so for this it actually requires you to download the Google Home app to any supported device. So it does let you know in the manual that you can download it on the Google Play or the App Store, and then it will work on any compatible phone or tablet. So let me go ahead and run you through the products. So on the top portion we do see that there is the power port, micro USB. On the side we saw the mic switch, and this will allow you to turn the mic off, and when it is bright orange,
The mic's off.
letting you know the mic's off.
The mic's back on.
On the left side, I believe you can tap to lower the volume. On the right side, you can tap to increase the volume, and you can tap on the center area here to play and pause, and then if you long press on it, you will actually be able to talk to your Google Assistant. So we can see right there the volume is being lowered, and it's actually indicated by those LEDs, which is quite nice. And then we can actually increase it, and that sounds quite loud.
Your Google Home isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So let's go ahead and get that done, and then I will be right back so we can kind of see what's going on. So let's go ahead and open this up for the first time and see what it looks like. So according to this, you will need your location set on to set up nearby products. Sure. Yes, we would like to set this up. And we can see that LEDs have actually changed. Perhaps to indicate that it's being set up. Yep, so we are connected now. Let me go ahead and retry it. That sound will play again. Yep, so that sound is actually playing on the Google Home Mini, which indicates that it is connected. This device will be in I guess an office. You Wi-Fi. Actually can use a 5 gigahertz band. Sometimes with accessories, with Wi-Fi, some products do not connect up to a 5 gigahertz channel, and it is always on a 2.4 gigahertz. But it's kind of nice that this does do that. Now to set this up, we can see that there are a lot of things that you just have to say yes to in order to use it. Is the device. So for the sake of this, we will go ahead and use it. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. And while it does take some time, we can see that a lot of the process is fairly seamless. The app takes care of pretty much everything. This is the first time that I'm setting one up ever. I've never used this device before. And it seems to be going relatively smooth. So there we go, we're all set, and that probably took less than maybe 5 minutes.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Hey Google, play some music.
Okay, music on Google Play Music. Here you go.
So that is how the Google Home Mini works as far as the setup process goes.